I'm so excited. I can't wait. Poetry, song, visuals. And we got to participate, which motivated me to come. Like, I had to come see what I put together and what the people next to me put together.
Traímos a nuestra familia aquí porque creo que es importante de exponer a los niños de una edad pequeña a ver las diferentes formas de artes en la comunidad.
Making lanterns was my favorite part and I loved it.
We've been doing workshops all month long with community members.
So each square was designed by a different participant in the workshops, and Cunha in this beautiful sky blue cape over here is wearing what I would consider kind of a collective mural.
That's what history is. All our little notes in a universal song. Thanks, guys.
I think it's amazing to give the kids an opportunity that they otherwise wouldn't have, maybe discover new passions.
I'm literally in a state of bliss. I feel like this is one of the most exciting things I've done in the longest time.
Translucent venom of stupor and serenity.
It was for everybody, and especially in this incredible space. I love it.